2025 has been such an incredible year, and we couldn't have done it without you. So thank you. Let's take a look at some of our top sellers that families absolutely loved this year. At number 1, our cozy bedtime story favorite, Go to Sleep Little One. A sweet story book that helps calm little minds and end the day with love, with great illustrations and learning about the bedtime routine. Number 2, our runaway hit, The Ultimate Scavenger Hunt. We sold out twice and it's still going strong, packed with 50 fun hunts for indoor, outdoor, and anything you could think of. Number 3, we have the 450 words tracing book for sight words, learning essentials that makes reading simple, practical, fun, and rewarding. Number 4 is a Classroom Detectives. By the way, book 2 is out now. This is a mystery book for children who are ready to transition into chapter books. Positive affirmation cards and beautiful way of building confidence and kindness using one card at a time. And number 6 is our feelings and emotions flashcards to make little ones understand and talk about their feelings. And number 7 is a school year's memorabilia book, perfect for capturing those unforgettable first day photos and milestones. Number 8, our original Bellybees milk cereal for toddlers, nourishing, delicious, and parent approved, available in Sri Lanka. Number 9, our educational room posters, vibrant digital downloads that can make learning space inspirational and fun. And finally, at number 10, I Can Be Anything coloring book, reminding kids that imagination has no limits. Teachers absolutely went nuts for this book. Every one of these products was made with love, care, and our mission to keep learning screen-free, creative, and full of joy. Thank you for being a part of our journey in 2025. Here's to even more fun in 2026. See you then.